Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to enable the maintenance mode in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings and search for the options name device care. Yeah, it's here. So scroll down and there is maintenance mode. So protect your privacy while your phone is being repaired. Yep. So when you take your phone to the repair, it's good that you turn on the maintenance mode because all your data will be safe. So when you turn out, you will be restart without creating a lock. So your phone is right now, and the mode will be on. So in my case, I will do that right now, but it's all about this mode. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.